Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Ps4 is online, and you know whether you use Wi-Fi or a wired Ethernet cable. Next, go to Settings, then Network, and select Set up Internet Connection. Choose Wi-Fi or LAN depending on your link. Once selected, pick Custom so you can keep automatic IP yet change DNS manually. This saves time and avoids IP conflicts. Make sure you have preferred and alternate DNS numbers ready, because you'll enter them on the next screen. You continue by preserving automatic for IP address settings and selecting Do Not Specify for DHCP hostname. This avoids manual IP mistakes. When you reach DNS settings, choose Manual and type the preferred DNS first, then the alternate, use numbers such as 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 depending on speed and privacy needs. Once input, set MTU and proxy to automatic or do not use. After saving, run the internet connection test to verify. Finish by checking the connection test results for lower DNS lookup time and stable NAT type. Make sure the PlayStation Store and online games load. If you see DNS errors, revert to automatic DNS or swap in another resolver. Some services block specific public DNS. Once done, restart both your Ps4 and router to clear cached records. This often fixes lingering issues. If problems persist, test on another device to isolate network versus console problems, and then adjust settings accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.